If you want to learn headstand from the beginning, you will have to strengthen your neck and balance. It's very important to have a strong neck to learn headstand.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet.
Start by stretching your neck, which will make your neck strong and you can avoid neck injuries. So first, stretch your neck side to side. Now you have to rotate your neck clockwise and anti-clockwise for 15 to 20 seconds. It's help you to improve your neck strength.
You know that I'ma want you all my life, but I got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you.
Now you have to try to do headstand with the wall support. This will give you an idea how to do a balance kick for headstand. This will help you a lot to learn headstand, so you must try it. Gradually you have to try that your feet do not touch the wall. This will make your balance stronger. And you have to practicing this exercise for 5 to 10 minutes every day.
She'd be gone, but when I woke up in the morning, she was laying beside me. She know when she wanted, I can never turn her down. Oh, I probably should have kicked her out by now.
Whenever you try to do headstand, do not have the fear of falling in your mind. Keep doing it slowly and try to find your balance with different variations. And bring your body weight to your forearms so that your body will be evenly balanced. You have to do these exercises for a week. You may not get a perfect headstand, but your balance and strength will definitely become stronger. And within 10 to 15 days, you will definitely learn a perfect headstand. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe my channel StretchingZilla.
She got a body like a goddess, and she